Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at Tropical. Now, Tropical is a beautiful place where you can get all kinds of ice cream. Not all kinds, but yeah, good kind of ice cream. And they will make you wonderful shakes, smoothies, Falooda, fresh juice, everything. This is like kind of very not very new but old place where people love to spend time. Nice place, right? Here is what they have made for me, which is mint and chocolate, and they are here since 1999. Traditional is the new blend, is what they say, and this is their Falooda, which is very famous. And here you can see the Falooda. Just look at it, and you can choose your own ice cream, whatever you like. You can just ask them to add it in there, and you're gonna love it. So, this is a nice place. There is enough place to sit upstairs as well, and then a few chairs are here. So it's, if whenever you want to refresh yourself a bit, you can just come here. They have some very nice cheesecakes. Alright, so I hope you like this. Thank you for watching. See you.